दर्शकवृन्द, आज म तपाईलाई एउटा फरक अनुभूति गराउने खालको प्रस्तुति लिएर उपस्थित भएको छु। म भुवन करेल विद्यार्थीलाई प्रेरित गर्ने, इन्स्पायर गर्ने काममा लागिरहेको छु। मैले तपाईलाई भन्छु नि, म हरेक दिन केही न केही तपाईको जिन्दगीलाई पनि परिवर्तन गर्ने खालका कुराहरू लिएर आउँछु। विद्यार्थीलाई इन्स्पायर गर्ने, उनीभित्रका क्षमतालाई बाहिर प्रस्फुटन गराउने, उनीभित्रका कलालाई तपाईसँग ल्याउने, उनको जीवनमा यो दिन महत्त्वपूर्णको थियो नि भन्ने कुरा बुझाउने खालका कामहरू म गरिरहेको छु मेरो जीवनमा। मित्रहरू, म तपाईँ सम्पूर्णलाई मेरो युट्युब च्यानल भुवन करेलमा हार्दिक स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु। मेरो आजको दिन यस्तै रमाइलो रहनेछ तपाईँहरूसँग, म भाइ बहिनीहरूसँग विभिन्न कुरा, तपाईँले पनि अनुभव गर्नुभएको कुरा, तपाईँले पनि मन पराउनु भएको कुरा सोध्छु। धेरै लामो समय हामी विद्यार्थी भएर जीवन बिताएका छौँ। हाम्रो जीवनको सबैभन्दा लामो समय चाहिँ विद्यार्थी जीवनकाल हुँदो रहेछ। तपाईँको विद्यार्थी जीवनकालमा कुनै दिन, कुनै कक्षाको कुनै दिन तपाईँको विषय शिक्षक, कुनै पनि पिरियडको शिक्षक एब्सेन्ट हुनुभयो भने तपाईँलाई के गर्न मन पर्छ सम्झनुहोस् एकचोटि। र अहिले पनि के गर्न मन पर्छ? कतिजनाको विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू पनि हुनुहुन्छ, मेरो साथीहरू, मलाई हेर्ने मेरा दर्शकहरू, तपाईँलाई के गर्न मन पर्छ यदि तपाईँको शिक्षक एब्सेन्ट हुनुभएको छ? मेरा भाइ बहिनीले भन्दै थिए, हामी गजब गजब कुरा गर्छौँ नि भन्छ, कति रमाउँछ नि कुराहरू, सरसँग गफ गर्नलाई बडा रमाइलो गर्दछ। आज यिनको कुरा सुन्नुहोस् र तपाईँको जीवनलाई पनि तपाईँ के गर्दा रमाउनु भएको थियो त्यो पनि थाहा पाउनुहोस् है त। तपाईँको बाल्यकालतिर म लान्छु। These are the students of class 5. These are very good students of class 5. Disciplined, very noble, decent, well-mannered student of this school. I love them very much. I don't know they love me or not. Hey, do you love me?
Yes, sir.
Hey, do you love me?
Yes, sir.
Hey, do you like me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, they say they like me. If they say they do not like me, then again. All right. No worry. म पहिला अलिक फटाफटा खालको टिचर, अहिले त मलाई पढाइ गर्न आउँदैन। सकेको इन्स्पायर गर्ने हो, सकेको इन्करेज गर्ने हो, सकेको राम्रो कुरा सिकाउने हो। खुसी छ नि, रमाइलो छ। आज दर्शकवृन्द, यिनीहरू चाहिँ के गर्न मन पराउने रहेछन् हेर्नुहोस् त। वाट डु यु लाइक टु डु इफ योर एनी सब्जेक्ट टिचर रिमेन्स एब्सेन्ट? तपाईको सब्जेक्ट टिचर एब्सेन्ट हुँदा तपाईलाई के गर्न मन पर्छ भनेर मैले सोधेको थिएँ। अब यी सबै भाइ बहिनीहरूले पालो गरेर उत्तर दिन्छन्। नानी, डिड यु टेक योर लन्च? डिड दे गिभ यु? आर यु ह्याप्पी? Oh, she happens to be my daughter as well as my biggest fan of my life. I would like to ask you, what do you like to do when your teacher remains absent? तपाईको शिक्षक नहुँदाखेरि तपाईलाई के गर्न मन लाग्छ?
If my class teacher is absent, I like to read books.
You like reading books secretly with your friends. Very nice, very nice. I talk to Grace Kharkaji. What do you like to do if your subject teacher of any period remains absent from the school?
If my subject teacher is absent, I like to read science books.
Oh, he likes reading science book. Very fantastic. नानी, तपाईको शिक्षक स्कुलमा आउनु भएको छैन, तपाईलाई के गर्न मन पर्छ? तपाईको कुनै पनि पिरियडको शिक्षक आउनु भएन, तपाईँ के गर्न मन पराउनुहुन्छ? लेख्न मन पराउनुहुन्छ? गीत लेख्नुहुन्छ तपाईँ? गाउँको सम्झना आउँदैछ तपाईलाई? पिर नगर्नु होला, तपाईँ दशैंमा घर जानुहुनेछ। What do you like to do if your teacher remains absent from the class? You like reading. So what do you like to do if your teacher, any subject teacher remains absent? You like reading and dancing, whatever. Babu, what do you like to do? Oh, you like going outside, dancing, jumping, singing. Very fantastic. Very fantastic. Very fantastic. So I have got another beautiful lady, Kriti Shrestha. Kriti Shrestha, what do you like to do if your teacher demands absence? Oh, she is very clever girl. She loves to do her homework. Okay, very fantastic. What do you like to do? Okay, it's not that habituated to speak English. It's very new, has just come. And hope you will understand my question and you will be answering my questions after some days. I do homework. He does his homework. Oh, he does his homework. Great. Okay. The next beautiful lady is here. She loves me a lot. She, encourages me time and again. So, what do you love to do if your teacher remains absent? You like to play games with your friends. Very fantastic. Babu, what do you like to do? You like drawing? Other activities in the absence of the teacher. Okay, I have got another beautiful lady here. What does she like to do? Let's listen. You like talking to your friends. Very fantastic. Hello, brother. What do you like to do if your teacher remains absent?
I like to go outside and play and come and read.
Oh, very fantastic. He wants to go outside, he wants to play, and he wants to come back and he wants to do his other reading activities. Okay, Supri, how do you spend the time if your teacher remains absent from the class?
If my teacher is absent, I would like to practice mathematical.
Oh, she likes doing mathematics. Great, 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 great. Oh, another smart guy. So what do you like to do if your teacher remains absent from the class? Oh, so creative job you like. Very fantastic. So, if you don't mind. Okay, what do you like to do if your teacher remains absent from the school? Oh, she does handwriting. Yeah, fantastic brother. He's a very creative boy. What do you like to do if your teacher remains absent from the school? Yes, you love reading books, different chapters of the book. Very fantastic. So, our new boy is here. He's coming to our school and he's a very new boy. What do you like to do if a teacher remains absent? You like doing mathematics. Very fantastic. What do you like to do? Very nice, very fantastic. What do you like to do, mister?
If my any teacher remains absent, then I would like to do homework because if exam is near, then we can if we do homework in any that absent teacher.
Then you can read at home or the other subjects. Very fantastic idea. Cunning idea, very clever idea. Love it. Visalji, what do you do if your teacher remains absent? You want to read storybooks. Do you come with storybooks also? Very fantastic. Lovely. So, beautiful lady again. What do you like to do? With your friends. Very fantastic. What do you like to do? Oh, he likes doing homework. Very fantastic. What do you like to do? Oh, you like talking to your friends and playing with the friends.
I like to do.
Oh, he wants to do his homework.
If my subject teacher is absent, I want to discuss new things with my friends.
Very fantastic answer. Very nice answer. What do you like to do, Nani, Pranita?
I like to read.
You like reading. Aryan bhai, what do you like to do?
If my teacher remains absent, I like to learn many new things from my essay book.
Oh, he learns so many things from the essay book. Very fantastic. Oh, she's one of the very clever girls and very decent girl as well. Very, disciplined girl as well. So what do you like to do?
If my any subject teacher remains absent, I would like
talking to the friends. Very, 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 very good. She's the best. She's one of the best artists of our school. I like her drawing, and I will be calling you one day for the same purpose to show your beautiful sketch and drawing to my viewers. And my viewers will be, getting more benefits from you. Okay, I have the two, boys who are very fantastic. One boy does not have to. It's very fantastic. I love him very much, and he also loves me very much. These are my best fans, and they wish me Lord time and again. They commend me very much positively. And you can buy. How are you? So what do you like to do if your teacher is an absent from the class? Oh, he wants to play with a friend, with his friend. Very good. What do you like to do? Reading books. Very fantastic. So I have got another, smart boy. And what do you like to do?
If my any subject teacher is absent, I would like to play basketball.
Oh, he likes playing basketball. Good eye to play basketball as well. Very fantastic. So she is very gentle girl, very decent girl, and very regular girl as well. And what do you like to do if your teacher remains absent from the class? Extra activities. She loves drawing and whatever. So another very gentle girl, very decent girl of the school, and these are the ornaments of the school. They are the real gems of the school. What do you like to do in your free time?
If any teachers remain absent, then I would like to create and
Drawing, dancing, singing, writing things, drawing and all. And I have got another, my biggest fan. Would you please come out because it is little difficult for me to, ask the questions. And do you mind sitting there? If you don't mind, please sit there. Please sit there over there. So sweet, so sweet, so sweet. Pleasing personality of everyone. And what do you like to do if your teacher remains absent? Oh, she likes sharing her things with her friends. Very fantastic. All right, very very outstanding answers, response. And I have got another smarter boy. He is Eugene Manandar. How do you spend the time in the school if the teacher remains absent?
If any of the subject teacher is absent, I like to play outside and talk with my friends.
Okay, he wants to go outside and he wants to play the game. Thank you very much. You all took part in my, activities. Thanks so much. And you all guys are very, 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 very great. And awesome answer, awesome response. And you got my, question as well. You understood my questions. My dear friends, प्रिय दर्शकहरू, हेर्नुहोस् न, यी भाइ बहिनीहरूले आफ्ना टिचर एब्सेन्ट भएको बेलामा पनि यस्तो गर्ने रहेछ। तपाईले समय पास गर्नलाई यस्तो रमाइलो कार्यक्रम गर्ने रहेछ। कथा पढ्ने, किताब पढ्ने, कविता लेख्ने, गीत गाउने, साथीसँग मिठा कुरा सेयर गर्ने, रमाइलो गर्नुहुँदो रहेछ। यी कक्षा 5 का भाइ बहिनी हुन्। कति अनुशासित, कति राम्रा, कति सुन्दर, कति प्लिजिङ पर्सनालिटी छ। हेर्नुहोस् त, यो मार्क्सले गर्दा यिनको सुन्दरता र हेन्डसमनेसमा अलिकति प्रब्लम छ। यो मार्क्स नभएको भए त कति राम्रा हुन्थ्यो होला नि यिनीहरू, कति राम्रा देखिन्थ्यो नि। यो मार्क्सले गर्दा है दर्शकवृन्द, यो कोरोनाले गर्दा हामी सबै पीडित छौँ। यसलाई त त्यति डर लाग्दैन कोरोनाको, यसले चाहिँ आई फाइट कोरोना भन्दैछिन्। त कति हामी डरुवा पनि छौँ। तपाईँ पनि डराएरै बस्नु भएको होला, डराएरै बस्नुहोस्, स्वास्थ्य जोगाउनुपर्छ, बाँच्नुपर्छ। नानी, वेयर द मास्क, बी सेफ and use the sanitizer. हामी एकदम अप्ठ्यारो परिस्थितिमा छौँ दर्शकवृन्द, हामीहरूले एकदमै सुरक्षित रहन जरुरी छ। बुढाबुढीको माया गर्नुहोला, बच्चाको माया गर्नुहोला, सबैलाई इन्करेज गर्नुहोला, साइकोलोजिकली स्ट्रङ बनाउनुहोला। म भुवन खरेल तपाईलाई यस्तै राम्रा भिडियो लिएर आउनेछु। विद्यार्थीसँग रिलेटेड मेरा भिडियोजहरू हुनेछन्। मलाई ठुला मान्छे आजका चाहिएका छैनन्, मलाई त भोलिका यो देशलाई सुन्दर बाटोमा, सुन्दर ठाउँमा पुर्याउने आजका साना र भोलिका पिलरहरू चाहिएका छन्। दर्शकवृन्द, मलाई अबको 10 वर्ष पछाडि यी विद्यार्थीहरू कहाँ पुग्नेछन् र उनीहरूले मलाई सम्झिनेछन्। यस भुवन सर, तपाईँले भनेको कुरा आज मैले तपाईँलाई दिन सकेँ। यिनको यस्तै उत्तरको प्रतीक्षामा म मेरा जीवनहरू यसरी नै बिताइरहनेछु। अबको 10 वर्ष कम्तीमा मैले शिक्षक हुने र त्यस पछाडि बाँकी अरू पेसाहरू पनि अँगाल्ने त छँदैछु। तैपनि मेरो भविष्यको आशा, ती देशका गहनाहरू, दिज आर द अर्नामेन्ट्स अफ द स्टेट, दिज आर द रियल जेम्स अफ द नेसन। ट्रु नेसन बिल्डर्स अफ द नेसन यसलाई हेरिरहँदा यस्तो लाग्छ दर्शकले म पनि त यस्तै हुन पाए हुन्थ्यो तपाईँलाई पनि यस्तै लाग्छ होला नि यस्तै सानो सानो भएर देशलाई राम्रो ठाउँमा पुर्याउँछु भन्ने तपाईँलाई पनि आउँछ होला नि सो आई एम एट द एन्ड अफ द भिडियो वाट डु यु लाइक टु डु एट लास्ट यस सर रख भनिदिनुहोस् न एकचोटि यार यस सर